Well, we managed to get the camping trailer in the backyard. It was a tight squeeze, but we made it. We really truly haven't had a full day to work on it yet because we've been working with jungle crews. This will be our first actual full day to be able to do this. Corey is inside taking measurements. We're going to have a lot of the floor to replace, and we're going to start removing stuff, but he wants to get the measurements first. We may be making some changes. The first thing we have to do is get up the old linoleum and see how much of this floor is total crap. Go ahead, Lulu, get in. You can get in.
Careful, don't. That first step is a
doozy. It's a Lulu. Come on, Lupaloo.
Careful.
There you go. Good girl. Yeah, check it all out.
Lupa's house.
Oh my God, help us. This is going to be such a mess. Let's see what we can salvage. All right, we've got the toilet out and this area over here that's just a hot mess. We've got one of the side boxes out.
Lucy, I'm home.
Come on in. Kevin and Grayson came over and they brought Palomas. So now we're
drunk demoing.
Probably not the smartest thing to do, but it's only like 2 in the afternoon, and we haven't eaten since 6. But anyway, we're still trying to take out a lot of this stuff. This is going to be down to the frame. Am I right?
Almost.
I think pretty much, yeah. We're finding rot everywhere, from the front to the back here. We got to get the wet out because it's not healthy. It's not healthy at all. Tequila's probably not the best thing for demolition, but meh. Thanks, Kevin Grayson. We love you guys. I think it's going to be down to the frame. Do you think it's going to be down to the frame?
Almost.
What is almost?
Not quite, but almost.
What is not quite, but almost? Fill me in verbally on what this almost is.
It's an all with a most. It's almost.
What are we not going to have to take down to the frame?
Not much.
Maybe all.
Maybe all.
Okay.
Most.
Almost.
Almost.
Woohoo! Okay. Couch is out. Sort of. This, that, it all is going to try it out. Whoops. I'm easy. No. You need to cut that side though. Gosh, look at the soft spots over there.
Guess I just will pull it back the way it was.
The knife is here. Fun stuff. We're getting there, right, baby? Is there anything you want to remember of this adventure for later on?
No.
Come on, give me something about this renovation.
It's always an adventure.
You're such a crap.